Today we're at the Windsor Island Resort by Pulte Homes to show to you the resort and their products. This one here is a 5-bedroom home, which we're going to show you the tour to it and also see the grounds later. Stay tuned. Let's look at the model Lakeshore, a 5-bedroom, 4-bath with a pool, single family home. And look at the lot sales, already sold. The kitchen includes all the appliances and the cabinets, and also blinds in the entire house. The home also comes with a pool. A glimpse here of the future clubhouse, which we'll see in a second. As you can see, this model has all stainless steel appliances. You can choose the ones you want. You can also have custom floors if you want different. There's a half bath down below. And here's a quick location of Windsor, about 15 minutes from Disney World. Downstairs there's a suite, a master suite. It's a home bathroom, obviously. And direct access to the pool outside, which you'll see in just a second. Here you go, going outside. Nice large size pool, place for large table, also for a grill for barbecue. Enjoy the sun in Florida. Jump in the pool, big splash, lounge chairs. And here's the second floor, as a center mezzanine TV room, if you will, and 2 bedrooms on each end of the floor plan. They are using here just to demonstrate. This is one of the elevations that you can choose, and they're using this one has 2 single beds. Some have queen size bed. It's your choice the way you want to display. Here's a quick review at the floor plan as we described before. Here's a 3rd bedroom. There's another bedroom with its own bathroom next to it. There you are. Here's the distance between the resort and Disney. It's literally 15 minutes away. Here's a glimpse of the future clubhouse, one of the largest of all resorts in Orlando. And it's already under construction with the completion. Here is a picture of as of last week. The completion scheduled for September, October of this year, 2021. It's going to be a very large area for bar and pools and lazy rivers and water fun. So don't forget to watch the next video. See you soon.